Rutland Plastics is a plastic injection moulder. We've got 140 employees running over 3 shifts, 24 hours a day. Rutland Plastics works with its customers as partners. We believe that partnership is the best way forward, and our customers are important to us. We develop relationships where we become an extension to our customers' team, a technical extension that is an expert in plastic injection moulding. So automation is key to what we do. Our factory is very varied. We have a lot of different parts changing from making one part to another. Automation is key to making that efficient and making the most that we can with the number of people that we've got. We're addressing workforce shortages really with automation. So it's about upskilling people to best use the automation and work with the automation to get the most efficient use out of the machines. Automation has definitely given us cost efficiencies. We can do more with the same number of people, which is really key to what we do. Getting the most out of our machines is what drives us. We invested in Advanced MES to extract as much utilisation out of our machines as we can. Injection moulding machines are expensive. There's a large capital outlay. It's important that they're always running, making parts that we can sell, so quality parts. Advanced MES helps us to do that. Advanced MES helps us with planning resources efficiently and then monitoring what the plan and making sure it was efficient and is being executed the way that it was planned. As that's not just cycle time, but it's also power and scrap as well. It's becoming a question that's increasingly asked, and ultimately carbon footprint of parts is something that we need to be able to report on. Initially with Advanced MES, we found the most benefit was the real-time display, which allows us to see what's happening at that moment, both from a cycle time, scrap, but also now power with the addition of the power module. Allows us to focus the priorities as to what is the machine to look at that's wasting the most amount of resources, be that scrap or power. We're developing graphical reporting as we go along. The most benefit we've seen is the real-time, the immediate display, but we're now starting to look at other metrics such as power use for downtime and understand why that machine was down and therefore why it was wasting power. We've been working with Epicor since 2012, so that's a lot of years that we've had experience with Epicor and the various teams. Through various different guises, different versions, we've always found them very helpful. Working with the guys who deal specifically with the Advanced MES has been extremely worthwhile. They understand our industry, which is very useful.